What reasonable adjustments can we make around travel? Well, I want you to think to yourself, if you're going to a new place that you've never been before, what do you need to know? Okay? What you need to know is where it is you're going, how to get there. If you're driving, is there parking? Will you have to park down the road? If you're having to navigate through barriers to park, where are those barriers? What are the codes? How do you get beyond those barriers? If anything goes wrong in those stages, who do I ring? Then, what building am I going to? This could be a complex place with lots of different buildings. Where is reception? Is the receptionist aware? What do I say to the receptionist? Where will the room be? What will the room be like? Those are all the things that I think any of us would like to know before we go to a venue. It's the same for autistic people. Reasonable adjustments around going to a place might be having somebody meet you beforehand to guide you through those many stages. It might literally be having somebody that you call, you meet up with, and they take you to your parking space, or they take you to reception and guide you through the building. Another reasonable adjustment around travel might be for those individuals that really struggle with public transport. It might be that on your way, you pick them up from another location. Another reasonable adjustment around travel might be having images, pictures of the building, of the location, of the room, of the hallways, of potentially every step of the journey. This can help reduce someone's uncertainty and know what to expect before the day. Though that might be a reasonable adjustment for some, it's helpful for all of us to know what a place that we're going to go to looks like, and all of the potential barriers there might be for us to enter.